Hi, I'm Paul. We're doing Leetcode must-know interview questions. Today's challenge is reverse words in a string. So, given an input string, S, reverse the order of the words. A word is a sequence of non-space characters, and the words in S will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of the words in reverse order concatenated by a single space. S may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words like this, example 2, example 3, have extra spaces. Anything else? Let's see. We've only got to deal with English with letters, uppercase, lowercase, digits, and spaces. And there is at least one word in S, so no empty input strings. Anything else? Topics. 2 pointers and string. I wasn't really thinking of it in terms of 2 pointers. It looks a lot like a problem that we did finding the length of the last word in a string, where we split the string and looked at the last word. That was as easy as any problem I've ever seen on Leetcode. And this is rated medium, even though it looks kind of the same. So maybe I'm not thinking about it right, but let's try it. So we need an array, because I think we want to split the, we want to split the string. Equals S. I'm going to do a trim on that to take off leading and trailing spaces. I'm not sure we need that, but it's not going to hurt. Split, we're going to split on the same regular expression that we used before, which is backslash with an escape character, S for white space, and a plus, which is one or more white space characters. We're going to split it on one or more white space characters. In other words, spaces, since, okay, so now we've got the words in an array. We can write a loop to process the words. Wait a second. We also need a string to hold the answer. Call it reversed. All right. For loop. For int I equals 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. We've got to handle the last word differently than the other words. So if I equals what do we call it? Array dot length minus 1, then reversed equals array at I plus reversed. What we want to do, so let's say we've got this in an array. The sky is blue. All right, so actually let me write it out first and then talk about it. This is going to be very close to this, so I'm going to copy that line and put it here. But if it's not the last word, then we need to put a space in front of it, like that. All right, so let's say we get these in an array. The sky is blue, and then we process them one by one. Well, initially we've got an empty string, so we're going to take the and append it to the empty string like this and put a space in front of it. And we're going to do the same thing with sky and put a space in front of it, is put a space in front of it. And then when we hit the last word in the array, we're not going to put a space in front of it. So we should get the words backwards, and then we can return it reversed. Turn reversed. Yeah, let's try that. Remove this and run. Okay. Basic case passes. Submit. Took a long time, actually. Okay. Speed was not great. Memory was not great. I don't know. Maybe there's some two-pointer solution that's like faster and more memory efficient, but it still goes as a win in the scorebook. So, feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.